Keep it coming.
Hold it right there. Perfect.
Careful with that one, it's heavy.
Got it.
Got it. Stack them high for finding solutions. We ensure every product meets our standard. Quality is always guaranteed. Our advanced systems ensure the highest quality.
These sensors are reading perfectly. Pallet 3B, watermelons checked and ready.
Looks good. Market complete for distribution. Keep them coming, we're almost full here.
All right, next pallet is ready.
With the final checks complete, the day's shipments are ready to leave the Finding Solutions factory, bound for customers.
The Finding Solutions factory is a marvel of modern efficiency, with watermelon products ready for delivery around the globe.